वैसे this is the non-mom edition because a lot of things of Ameera are not in this bag. This is the professional working mama's bag, and mama doesn't take the baby to office, so this is like my office bag. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about what is in my bag, the non-mom edition. Hi, I'm Sabine. Welcome to my channel. We talk about everything that we love here. And if you have been a returning person, hello, welcome back. I have been looking forward to see you. And before we move ahead with today's video, you will tell me one essential thing that you do not leave out of your bag when you are going out. In the comments fast. Okay, let's get started. The first thing in my bag are Studio West rose flavored wet wipes. Why is it rose flavored? There is no specific reason. I just picked this up. These are absolutely not baby friendly, so I don't use it on Ameera's bummies, but I use it on my face. They are not even face friendly, but who cares? Once you're a mother, you don't really care about beauty and stuff. I do, but okay. The next thing we have are my glares. These were gifted to me by my husband a few years back. I have forgotten the brand also. I know that this is a brand, okay? He had taken me and I had paid for it. I mean, he had paid for it, but I know this is some brand. It's French Connection. I told you it's a brand. French Connection. This is the only pair of glares that I have, and these are so old. I'm not into glares so much, that's why. Then I have this pocket perfume by Tira. Naturally, I had got this free. Nobody's going to buy this from them. But it's really cool. It's like full leather and it opens and it shuts like that. Good stuff, and it's refillable. I like how eco-friendly Reliance is after everything that they do. If you know, you know. Then we have business cards, my business cards of my company. After that, we have, you don't want to see this, Ameera socks. Because we usually go to play parks, so her one pair of socks is always in my bag, and no matter where you go, you never stop being a mom. So socks. Then I have my card holder. I don't know why my cards are lying like this if I have a card holder, but just the kind of messy person that I am. I have this pouch that has my money in it. I have stopped keeping a wallet because Ameera takes my wallet and pulls things out. Not to say that she doesn't do it from this pouch, but again, I have stopped using my brains. Then I have Sony earbuds, very important to shut unnecessary noise out. Auntie advice, uncle advice, etc. Another perfume, this is from my friend's brand called Duft Fragrances. Very, very nice. But I don't know why I have two. The reason I think I have two perfumes is because I didn't know that the first one existed. Okay, I have paisa. I have a money cover. This is actually Ameera's cover. Usko thodi na pata chalega. And if she is watching this video like 10-15 years later, then I must have given her a lot already. So Ameera, shut up. Pocket tissues. ये packet इतना पुराना है. If tissues had an expiry date, these would be in the grave by now. I have an invoice. मेरे लैपटॉप का चार्जर खराब हो गया था तो उसका invoice क्यों रखा है भगवान जाने. Actually, मैं जानती हूँ, भगवान को कैसे पता होगा. हर medicines. These medicines are expired. If I have them, I will also expire. But now, since we are doing a what is in my bag, we will also make this a let's clean my bag. So I am going to throw this away. Pen. ये एक काम की चीज़ है मेरी बैग में. I have a pen. And then I also have a pencil for no good reason. ये मैंने किधर से चोरी किया है, इसका वो वाला pencil है ये. Then I have loose change. कभी मैं छुट्टे पैसे यूज नहीं करती हूँ, फिर भी I have one rubber band because what if there is an apocalypse and I need to tie my hair. Card holder, इसमें मेरे सब cards होते हैं and I still forget where they are. A clip because again, what if there is an apocalypse and my rubber band splits, so I need my clip. And a lot of other kachra, man. I have so much stuff. And then I have this small pouch which I keep my jewelry in. It's like my small jewelry pouch. So this is it. This is what was there in my छोटू सा Charles and Keith bag. Brand बोलना जरूरी था so that you all know that I am not as poor as I look. Really wanted to do this from the longest time. From the time I have seen that Vogue celebrities doing the what's in my bag. उनके तो इतने छोटे बैग में इतना कुछ होता है. मेरे इतने बड़े बैग में सिर्फ इतना ही सामान है. Because I don't like to carry extra stuff and then you know now I keep forgetting where things are. This also had a lipstick which I have lost now. तो पता नहीं कहाँ है. But all this is what I keep in my bag every day. And then sometimes when I want to go somewhere, then I know I'll mix, match, shift, shuffle, and I will do those things. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment, subscribe, follow me. Tell me in the comments what else do you want to see about my life, and I'll make a video on the same thing. And while you're here, from here only, please go to Instagram. I make some cool content over there. My very close friend just told me today that she watches that content and she really likes it. So I am very happy, and that is why you can see the happiness in the video as well. So go and watch that video and then come back over here and watch this video again, and then come tomorrow and watch tomorrow's video also. I'm going to see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.